Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm making a Monte Cristo sandwich. You know, this particular item appears on a lot of restaurant menus. It's a classic, it's popular, and of course it's delicious. It's kind of like where grilled cheese meets French toast. So if you like either one of those or both, you're going to love this sandwich. You know, it's a very delicious sandwich, it's fun to make, and of course it's easy. Beyond easy. And I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. Now, the first thing I have is some white bread. I have some mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, ham, Swiss cheese, turkey, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Now the first thing I'll do is I'll spread my mayo on both slices of bread evenly. Then I'll add my mustard and do the same thing. Then I'll add my cheese, then my turkey, then I'll put on my ham. Then I'm going to put the sandwich together and I'm going to whisk together an egg and some milk. I'm just going to whisk that up really nice, and this will be my egg mixture for my sandwich. Now I'm going to take this over to the stove beside the frying pan, and in the frying pan I have some butter that I'm melting, and I'm going to cook this sandwich on somewhere between low and medium heat. So I'm going to dip the sandwich in the egg mixture and I'm going to hold it in there for about maybe 10 seconds on each side because I want the sandwich to really soak up the egg. That's really important. Now I'm going to put it in the frying pan and cook it low and slow. Like I said, it'll take maybe 4 or 5 minutes because I don't want the sandwich to burn, but I want the cheese to melt nice and evenly. I want it to be a nice golden brown. Okay, so there it is. I flipped it over. It looks really good on both sides. So now I'm going to take it out of the frying pan. I'm going to garnish it with icing sugar, and there's our Monte Cristo sandwich. Okay, so the sandwich is out of the frying pan. It's only in there for maybe 4 or 5 minutes, but I like to cook it nice and slow to let the cheese melt, and I don't want to burn the butter, so it looks nice and golden brown, and it smells great, and I can't wait to dig in. So I got myself a knife, and I'm going to cut myself a sandwich. Here we go. Oh man, that looks amazing. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that's great. I can taste the Dijon mustard and the mayo. Taste the ham and the turkey. The icing sugar adds a nice sweetness to it. It's perfect. I never eat white bread unless it's sourdough. But this is delicious. It's really good. You know, the only kind of bread that really works for grilled cheese and French toast is white bread. This is great. That icing sugar just tops it off. Wow. So easy and so delicious. Well, there it is, my friends. Monte Cristo sandwich made easy. Until we eat again, I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Cheers.